Welcome. Today we are going to explain the different occasions when Nehemiah prayed. Then in what ways did Nehemiah demonstrate qualities of good leader during his time? And lastly, we look at what is the importance of prayer in the life of a Christian today. Occasions when Nehemiah prayed before asking King Artaxerxes to let him go back to Judah. When he learned that the Jews in Judah were suffering and the temple of Jerusalem was in ruins. When his enemies made fun of the Jews and discouraged them from building the wall of Jerusalem. When the enemies conspired to attack Jerusalem to stop the construction work, after he condemned the leaders for oppressing the poor, when his enemies planned to harm him, when he was frightened by Shemaiah to hide in the temple, claiming that there was a plot to kill him, when he cleansed and reorganized the temple for worship, after warning the people of Judah against violating the Sabbath law, when he had chased away the son-in-law of Sanballat, and after cleansing the Israelites of the foreign influence. Ways Nehemiah demonstrated qualities of a good leader during his time. He was hardworking, or rather, you can just say he was committed to his work. He faced opposition courageously. Rather, you can just say he faced challenges courageously. He prayed and consulted God in all situations. He had vision for the nation, or rather, he had a foresight for the Jews. He recognized other people's abilities. That is, he allowed them to perform different duties. So he allowed other people to perform different duties. He was concerned about the life of his people. He was patriotic. He made wise decisions in different circumstances, or rather, you can just say he made firm decisions in different circumstances. He was honest. He served as a role model, or rather, you can just say he participated in rebuilding of the wall in Jerusalem. He endured persecutions. The importance of prayer in the life of a Christian today. It enables one to gain power over temptations. It expresses one's obedience before God, or it expresses one's humility before God. One is able to give thanks to God for the many blessings, so as to ask for God's protection in all that one does. Or rather, you can just say so as to ask for God's care in all that one does. In order to ask for forgiveness for the wrongs done, one is able to intercede for others in order to show God as the provider of everything. Or rather, you can just say in order to acknowledge God as the provider of everything. So as to praise God, or you can just say so as to glorify or exalt God, to seek for guidance from God, or to seek for direction from God. One is also able to communicate with God. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.